students. Today we are going to learn the next assignment from our C++ programming for the practical. So today we'll see the program for the swapping of two numbers using the function. So we'll start the Turbo C++. Swapping of two numbers. So new file is there. So I'm going to save the file first. Go to the file menu. Click on save button. Give the name to the file. Swap example1.cpp. Save. Okay. So program name swapping of two numbers using function. So we are going to see this program by using function. So now first, what is the swapping? Swapping means what? It is nothing but interchanging of two numbers. So there is a value in A, and that we are going to shift in a B, and whatever the value is there in a B, that we are going to shift in a A. This is the swapping. Now suppose A is equals to 1 and B is equals to 2. So after swapping, B becomes 1 and A becomes 2. So that how we are going to do by using the function in a C++, that we are going to see in a program. So first I am going to include the header files. Include iostream .h hash include conio.h. Okay, so header file includes. Now when we are going to write the function, there are the three important statements that we have to compulsory follow. First one is the declaration of the function, second one is the calling function, and third one is the defining the function. Okay, so first we declare the function. As it is a user defined function, you can give any name to the function. So I have given the name here swap. So int ampersand comma int ampersand. So pointer type variable I declare over here, and these are of integer data type. So I put the comment declaration of function. So in this function, name of the function is swap. Void swap. Void means I am not going to return anything from this function. Then int ampersand and int ampersand. So this is the pointer function, that is the pointer type of variables of integer data type. So this statement is about the declaration of the function. So declaration of the function is after the header file and before the main function. So before the main function, anywhere you can declare the function. Before the header file, after the header file, but it should be before the main function. Then I will write the main function. Void main. So in that main function, first I will write the clear screen function to clear the screen. Then I am going to declare the variable int a comma b. So this is the integer type. As at the time of declaration of the function, I here pass the variable data type as integer. So that here I am going to declare the variable of integer data type. Okay, so that I declare the variable int ab. So at the time of the declaration variable, that whatever the data type you have declared, that only you have to use variable. So here I am going to declare use the variable of integer data type. So I am writing declaration of variables. Okay. Now next one, that what we have to do, two values which you want to interchange, that I am going to take from the user. So write the cout enter values for A and B. So this message will display to the user, and accordingly user will enter the value. So whatever the value user will enter, that should be read. That is a cin. Okay, so this is about the expectant of the values. Now we have to call the function swap A comma B. So it is the statement which is called as a calling the function. Okay, so this is the function call. Now after the calling the function, what we have to do? The values will get interchanged. So after this statement, we'll write one more statement, that is values of A and B before swapping. So for just interchange understanding, I am going to writing this message, values of A and B before swapping. Then call the function. Then whatever the values is going to swap, after the swap, that we have to print. So here I am going to write the message that values of A and B after swapping. Okay. So which values are those? That is the A and B. It will print A and B. Then we have to write the get ch. So this is simple about the main function. So what we did in a main function, we declare the two variables, then accept the value from user, read the values, then print the value before swapping, then call the function. So whenever the function get called, the values will get interchanged. Then print the values after swapping and get ch. Now we are going to define the swap function. So what is the swap function? In that we will write int ampersand x comma int ampersand y. So here the declaration of the variable takes place. Okay, that is of whatever you declare at the time of the function declaration. Now one more variable I am going to declare over here, integer t. Okay, so t is equals to x. So initially t is empty. So in that t we are going to store the value of x. Now x becomes empty. So in that x we will store the value of y. Okay, now y will be empty. So whatever the value is there in a t, that we are going to store in a y. So this is about the logic of the swapping of the two numbers. X value we store in a t, then in x we shift the value of y, and in y we shift the value of the t, which is value of x actually. So this is about the swapping of two numbers. So I am going to compile the program. So 0 errors are there. Then I am going to execute the program. So I am enter the value 5 and the 8. So values of A and B before swapping and values of A and B after swapping 8 and 5. So I will just make some modification here, that is slash, and I will put, and I will put the values, that is display the values of A and B. A, B. Okay. So again I am going to compile the program and I am going to execute the program. So enter the value 3, 4. The values of A and B before swapping 3 and 4. Values of A and B after the swapping 4 and 3. So I will just make a correction. See how you can do this one. So put the slash n after this one. So it will come to the next line. Values of A and B before swapping 3 and 4, and values of A and B after swapping is equals to 4 and 3. So this is the program how the exchanging of the number takes place using the swapping. Okay. So what we did, declare the function. So this statement is called as a definition of function. Okay. Declaration of variable, calling the function, definition of function. So this is the program about the swapping. So I am going to save the program and just quit. So in this way you can perform the program for swapping of two numbers. And